You've probably seen the demos. A person steps up to a regular-looking window and presses a button, and bam, like magic, it goes translucent or even fully opaque. When we think of glass, we tend to think of its properties as unchangeable. It's either completely transparent or frosted or some variant in between. But electrochromatic glass can take any of these forms, thanks to the application of an electric charge between the two sheets of super thin substrate. That's the basis behind the Concept One, OnePlus's first concept phone and a showcase for a disappearing camera, which takes the idea of ECMF, or electronic color, materials, and finish, and applies it to a smartphone. In everyday use, the Concept One's rear cameras, which are flush behind the rear glass, are not visible. The electrochromatic glass is near opaque by default, turning transparent when a charge is applied, such as when the camera app is enabled. Debuting at CES 2020, the company says it has no plans to make the Concept One a commercial product, but it's using the idea of ECMF to explore the potential commercial applications of being able to hide various componentry behind this type of EC glass. OnePlus says that it's spent nearly 2 years prototyping this tech to get it to the point where it works consistently. Early versions took up to 5 seconds to show and hide the camera, but the finished product does it in under a second. There's also an added bonus, since the EC glass contains a built-in polarizing filter to enhance photo sharpness in super bright outdoor conditions. OnePlus admitted that it's tried and not yet succeeded to get this tech to work with the front-facing camera, which would be a much more logical place to use it, but that damn screen just keeps getting in the way. Of course, this being a OnePlus phone, the company went all out on the design, partnering once again with McLaren to create a papaya-colored leather back, complete with precise exposed stitching and, in typical McLaren fashion, a racing stripe down the back. It's pure concept excess in the best way possible. The idea for this collaboration reportedly came from looking at the McLaren 720S, whose sunroof is actually a large piece of EC glass that tints up and down. Other than this though, the Concept One is very much a refactored OnePlus 7T Pro, from the pop-up selfie camera to the curved AMOLED display. OnePlus did give the aluminum frame a gold tint to accent the orange leather though. My take overall, I love it. OnePlus has been making its phones and cases out of non-standard materials for years, from Kevlar to wood to ceramic, and it's fantastic to see the company exploring new ways to innovate. So, do you want to see a phone like the OnePlus Concept One come to market? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're furiously typing away, subscribe to Android Central so you don't miss any of our other videos to come out of CES 2020 and beyond. My name is Daniel, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.